Treasury bonds represent one of the safest ways to invest your money. When you purchase Treasury bonds, you are essentially lending money to your government. In return, the government promises to pay you back with interest over a specified period. This investment vehicle has been trusted by individuals and institutions for decades because it offers security and predictable returns. Understanding Treasury bonds is essential for anyone looking to build a balanced investment portfolio or seeking a low-risk way to grow their wealth. Treasury bonds are debt securities issued by the government when it needs to borrow money from investors. Think of it as giving a loan to your government. These bonds have a fixed period, which typically ranges from 10 to 30 years. During this time, the government holds onto your money and uses it to fund various projects and operations. At the end of the period, known as maturity, the government returns your original investment amount in full. These long-term bonds are different from Treasury bills or notes, which have shorter maturity periods. The process of investing in Treasury bonds is straightforward. First, you invest by purchasing bonds at their face value directly from the government. Once you own the bond, you earn interest through regular payments made every 6 months. This interest is calculated based on a fixed rate that was set when you purchased the bond. When the bond reaches its maturity date, you get your principal back, meaning the full amount you originally invested is returned to you. The entire process is backed by the government, which provides an additional layer of security and trust for investors. Let's look at a practical example to understand how this works. Imagine you buy a $10,000 bond with an interest rate of 4% for a 10-year period. Every 6 months, you will receive $200 in interest payments. This means you get regular income from your investment twice a year. Over the entire 10-year period, you will have earned a total of $4,000 in interest. At the end of 10 years, when the bond matures, you also get your original $10,000 back. So in total, you receive $14,000 from your initial $10,000 investment. Treasury bonds are considered one of the safest investments available, and there are several reasons for this. First, they have full government backing, meaning they are guaranteed by the full faith and credit of the government. This is an incredibly strong promise. Second, there is low default risk because governments have the ability to raise taxes or even print money if necessary to repay their debts. Unlike private companies that can go bankrupt, governments have these powerful tools at their disposal. Finally, Treasury bonds serve as a global benchmark for safety. Financial markets around the world consider them the safest investment option available, which is why they are often used as a reference point for measuring risk in other investments. Investing in Treasury bonds offers several important benefits. First is predictable income. Because the interest rate is fixed, you know exactly how much money you will receive and when, providing steady cash flow for planning purposes. Second is capital preservation. Your principal amount is guaranteed to be returned at maturity, so you don't have to worry about losing your initial investment. Third, Treasury bonds provide portfolio stability. Including them in your investment portfolio reduces overall risk and volatility, helping to balance out riskier investments. Finally, they offer liquidity. Even though bonds have long maturity periods, you can buy and sell them in secondary markets if you need to access your money before maturity. While Treasury bonds are very safe, they do come with some risks to consider. The first is interest rate risk. When interest rates in the market rise, the price of existing bonds falls. This is because new bonds are issued at higher rates, making older bonds less attractive. If you need to sell your bond before maturity during such times, you might receive less than you paid. The second risk is inflation risk. Since your returns are fixed, inflation can erode the purchasing power of your interest payments over time. If inflation rises significantly, the real value of your returns decreases. The third consideration is opportunity cost. While your money is locked in Treasury bonds earning a fixed return, you might miss out on potentially higher returns from other investments like stocks or real estate. Treasury bonds offer a safe and predictable way to lend money to the government while earning steady returns over the long term. They provide security, regular income, and the peace of mind that comes with government backing. While they may not offer the highest returns compared to riskier investments, they serve an important role in a diversified portfolio by providing stability and preserving capital. For conservative investors, retirees, or anyone looking to balance their investment risk, Treasury bonds represent a reliable choice that has stood the test of time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.